As you guys can see, I got hit. Doors done, quarters done, bumper screwed, wheels are done. Literally bent the wheels, broke them off. I got coolant everywhere. Surprised it's not bent. Actually, no, I think it is bent right there. The lady was trying to make a U-turn right here, and she just started making the U-turn without looking, and she got her front end on my rear. Bro. What do you think? Totaled?
I hope so.
I hope so. I do not want to deal with this. This is literally the Dodge all over again.
The wheels look like they're in decent shape.
No, the wheels are bent, ripped. Look at the top. I moved the car a little bit. Bent.
That shit's
broken. They're not gonna reimburse me on the wheels either. So
she tried to UE. She tried to take a UE.
She's literally right here. Tried to pop a UE and turn into me, and then, as you can see, the wheel's done. I don't know what we're gonna do about the wheel. I don't know what we're gonna do about the car. The tires are brand new, like thousands of dollars is gone. And she gets a new bumper and a oil cooler, and she's straight. Like, it doesn't make sense. She said her car was totaled. I said, did you see mine? Yeah, I was just more recording for like YouTube at this point. Like, I'm trying to make the best of the scenario. Luckily, look, another car that got hit in the first few months of owning it. No cars, no kinks in the door or anything, but quarters done, door. Wheels are pissing me off the most, obviously. They were literally fresh, got them not too long ago. So, just got off the phone with the insurance. They're gonna send a tow truck, hopefully a flatbed, and can't even see the car from back here, but they left. The other people, they were gone within the first 20 minutes. But now we're just waiting for the tow truck to show up. And honestly, like I said before, we're hoping that it's totaled, because the last thing I want is, if you guys ever seen the video of the Dodge, we got hit 2 weeks after buying that car, and then it was a 3-month, 4-month waiting process for the insurance company to finish fighting. They finally fixed it, and I lost a good amount of money on that car right off the bat. So I'm hoping that's not the case for this one. But yeah, this sucks. Yeah. Now that everyone's gone, I can cry in peace. But like I said, the wheels cracked, everything is just cracked. The wheels bent right here all along this kind of top edge. Curbed it here. And honestly, this is replaceable. This is the replaceable part, but this part isn't. Looks like our quarter up to about the gas tank is damaged. All of our brackets in there are ripped up and pulled out a little bit. Yeah, so even right there looks like it's bent and damaged. Obviously the rear bumper is done. That little fin on the bottom is done. Going up to, luckily it looks like the tail light is fine, but I do see some gapping, obviously, which is natural. But yeah, nothing too crazy, but like I said, I just want it to be totaled so that I don't have this sitting on the Carfax now, because that always reduces the value when I'm trying to resell, or if I try to resell, and like their car. All they lost was a bumper, oil cooler, some plastics, Headlight is fine, fender's fine, the hood's fine, grill's fine. So yeah, it just sucks. But literally spilled oil everywhere. I'm getting a call from the tow truck. Man, even the little kids they hate to see it go. It was nice, right? Yeah. Not no more. Well, we're not gonna see this car for a while now. I don't know. The separate person called me after. He was like, oh, okay. So I'm guessing they switched it after the fact. Man, we did the wheels, coilovers. I still have the lip sitting at home, so now I got a message Horizon, be like, yo, my bad. Yeah, Horizon literally sent me a new lip. I was supposed to make a video for them for the front, and yeah, no lip on here either. Bruh, this sucks.
Alright.
Ready?
Yep. About to drive the car up onto the flatbed. Just keep it slow, go slow.
BC Forge, I think they have some of their warranty stuff in here, so I'm gonna have to call them about that. Nothing else in here for me. That's a perfect thumbnail. There you go, sir.
Okay. I'm doing an excellent job for you.
Thank you. Thank you for taking care of it. Anything else you need from me? Anything else you need from me? Are you supposed to give tow truck drivers a tip? I'm not sure.
I didn't when I got my truck towed. I paid them $400. I wasn't gonna try to tow it and shit.
Well, that's it. We're not seeing that thing again for a while. Or at least I'm not. You guys probably be like a week's video away from seeing it again. That sucks. Alright, well, time to go home. So as you guys can tell, it's the next day now, and you guys are standing right where I usually park this G80. So this honestly sucks. I gave myself last night to kind of calm down, relax a little bit, and I was definitely hurt. I was like, in the moment I was fine, but then once I got home and I was by myself, that's when it hit me like, dude, your car just got hit. Like, your dream car just got hit. And honestly, I don't know what the situation is looking like. Like, I don't know if it's totaled. I don't know if it's just going to be a repair. As I mentioned before, I kind of didn't want it to be a repair because it's never easy to sell a car once there's an accident on the Carfax. Now, so I guess we'll see what happens with that. I'm really not sure. But in terms of the car itself, the reason I'm thinking it could possibly be totaled, even though the airbags didn't deploy, was my brothers who got under the car saw that there might have been a kink in the subframe. Obviously, we're not sure, but one of the things that I'm actually really worried about is all the modifications that we did. We did the coilovers, the PPF, which was very, very expensive. We did the ceramic coating on the entire car. We did the actual wheels, tires, and everything. So all of that is going to need to be replaced and rebought again from, I'm guessing, their insurance. I'm not sure what that process is, as I've never had a modified car be in an accident before. Like, the Dodge got hit, but it was completely stock at that time. So yeah, I'm really not sure what's gonna happen next. For anyone wondering what happened, there was a lady on the shoulder. According to her, she was reading some paperwork, so she pulled over to the side to read the paperwork. And as I'm driving down a single lane road, she decided, hey, I'm gonna pop a UE to go in the opposite direction. And as she starts popping the UE, I kind of saw her. I kind of swerved into the other lane, and I thought I cleared her, but she just committed to that turn without looking at all. And because she turned so far, she still clipped me in the rear and lost control for a second, got it back, and I just kind of pulled over to the side. And the funniest thing is, when she got out, she was like, hey, are you okay? And I was like, yeah, I'm okay. I asked her if she was okay and so on. Now, I didn't want to be pissed. I know it was an accident, so I didn't give her any attitude or anything like that. But she looks at me, she goes, my car's totaled. And in my head, I'm looking at her like, come on. You lost an oil cooler and a bumper, maybe, right? Like, my entire quarter is done for. It is what it is. Like, I'm really not sure when the car's gonna be back. I'm not sure if it's ever gonna come back yet. I'm gonna head to the shop right now and go talk to the adjuster, see what they say, maybe get an idea for you guys. And also kind of tell them about all the different mods that we need to replace for the car itself. So yeah, I think for the time being, we're gonna have to take a pause on the G80 content, unfortunately. Nothing we can really do about it. And yeah, I messaged Horizon yesterday. I owed them a front lip video, and no more front lip for the G80 either. So, but hey, if we get a G80 in the future, or we get ours back, we'll still install it. So this might be a while. This video is gonna come out tomorrow. I have another video planned with the E30, but I think this one is gonna be a little bit more high priority. So I'm gonna put this one out there. And if you guys wanna see, you know, the rest of the process of, you know, going to the shop, looking at the car and so on, drop in the comments. At least that's one good thing that comes out of this entire situation. So yeah, just drop in the comments and we'll see where we go from here. But thank you all for watching. This sucks, but it is what it is, and we're gonna get through it. So yeah, I mean, that's all I can say. But catch you guys on the next one. Peace.